In this video, I'm just going to take you through the basics of sketching. Sketching is very important as it provides the basis for all features and surfaces within SolidWorks. So, just to begin a sketch, you start by selecting your plane. I'm going to pick the top plane. Then you can either open a sketch by clicking Sketch in the little taskbar that opens up, or by opening a sketch in the Sketch toolbar. So automatically once the sketch is open, it should go normal to your chosen plane. Normal to basically means that you're looking at it at a perpendicular angle so that all lines and shapes are going to be true lines and shapes. So just to begin the sketch, I'm just going to pick line. So as you can see, once I've opened the line, the insert line feature manager opens up. Now this has two options, gives me two sets of options. I could choose the orientation line, whether it be as sketched, horizontal, vertical, or an angle, or I can also pick whether it be a construction line or an infinite length line. So right now I'm just going to keep these unchecked and I'm going to keep the line as sketched. So when beginning your sketch, the best place to start would be the origin, as all lines that originate from the origin can be easily defined later on. So I'm just making a random assortment of random lines. And just one last thing I want to show you before I close off the sketch is it's a handy little feature of the line. That is, if you extend the cursor out from your last point but don't click on it and hover back over the cursor, you can actually create a curve or an arc or even a semicircle using the line feature. And now that my sketch is closed, I'm ready to fully define it through Smart. And dimensioning the lines not only sets the sketch to your desired size, but it also serves the purpose of fully defining the sketch. Now, the fully defined sketch means that all the key points and lines of the sketch can be related back to the origin. Now, as you can see, as I was smart mentioning all the lines, the sketch gradually turned from blue to black. If the sketch were blue, it would mean that the sketch wasn't fully defined. I would need further dimensioning. However, my sketch is now black, which means it's fully defined. Also, if you look down here at the bottom of the screen, you'll see fully defined labeled here. So now that my sketch is fully defined and complete, as well as closed, I can now extrude it. So I'm just going to use the Extrude Boss Base feature here. As you can see, the Extrude Boss Base feature opens up a new feature manager. You'll notice that this new Extrude feature manager has appeared, and this basically details the parameters and anything you can change about your extrude from the sketch plane, from where you want the extrude to originate, to the direction and type. You can go mid plane or offset from surface, but I'm just going to keep it to a blind extrude. You can also detail the direction of extrusion and the depth. So I'm just going to modify the depth to about 50 millimeters. And if you're satisfied with the preview, just click OK, and there's your new part created using Sketch and Extrude Boss Base.